What can you say about coronavirus?
The coronavirus can kill people. They can fly like a bee, like a mosquito.
Is coronavirus powerful?
No,
No, why?
because it's...
You said it can kill people.
No, it's not. Because they're killing people.
But the coronavirus is powerful or not?
No.
Who is more powerful?
God.
Very good, anak. Do you think God is more powerful?
Yeah.
Then why is there coronavirus outside?
Because they cannot go outside from here. That's why I should be locked that so they cannot go outside here.
Why are the people scared of going outside because of the coronavirus?
I'm not scared because the people is scared. Because they don't want to go outside, then they run away when there's a coronavirus there.
So what should the people do?
They run away.
So what should the people do so they won't get sick?
The people will wash hands with soap and eat veggies and take a bath.
And what else?
When they not do it, the coronavirus will go inside the mouth. They will be sick. They will go to heaven.
Are you scared of the coronavirus?
No, I will just fight it with the sword.
With the sword?
Or the knife, or the carrot,
And what else?
I will pray.
What will you pray?
I will pray that this will soon over.
Okay.
We should stay home so it cannot go inside, so we cannot get sick, and the nurses can rest and go home, so that no more coronavirus and no more sick people in the hospital. Don't be scared of the coronavirus just like me. Just you pray for God so God will be happy and the virus will be over. There is no more virus.
Good job, anak.